Technique described by Chong and colleagues in preventing inadvertent flipping of the knot while tying the 3 reverse half hitches on alternating posts while still keeping the knot pusher on the same limb is to do something called reverse flipping. This will be demonstrated as the initial knot, being an underhand knot, is pushed into the original base knot. We then will flip the knot. With actual suture, you will push this tightly against the knot and then flip it. However, for demonstration purposes, I will pull this off so the knot flipping can be more readily apparent. The knot will then be flipped and tensioned with pass pointing, and this became our post limb at the end of it and was an overhand throw. Our next knot will want to be post limb on our blue suture with an underhand throw. This was again the same exact throw that we previously did, where we have an underhand throw over our post limb. But we will want to, in this case, keep this or end this as our post limb, so we will pull this knot into the previous knot. And again, for demonstration purposes, I will back off slightly in order to show the knot flip as I pull tension on the original post limb and then tighten it using a technique called overpointing. So by keeping tension on the blue limb, I am keeping it the post limb as I tighten. We will throw one more the exact same way, where again we have an underhand throw being performed, and we will then, just like we did with the first throw, push it down onto the knot. Again, I will pull back just to show the knot flip and the white limb become the post limb, and we will tighten it, pass point, and secure it.